Hello everyone. Today we'll solve this Harvard University entrance admission test algebraic equation 1 to the power x plus 8 to the power x is equal to 27 to the power x. So what's the value of x? So take a look. We can write the equation here, and in this we have to remove 27 from the right side, so we divided by 27 to the power x in the both of side. Then this 27x will be cancelled out and we will get the single equation like 1 to the power x divided by 27 to the power x plus. So here now we can write 1 to the power x divided by 27 to the power x plus 8 to the power x divided by 27 to the power x is equal to 1. So here if you look carefully, the exponential equation is now 1 to the power x divided by 27 is equal to 3 to the power cube, or we can write like 1 by 27 to the power whole x plus 8 by 27 to the power whole x is equal to 1. Here we just use an algebraic exponential equation formula, which is a to the power m divided by b to the power m to the power is equal to a by b to the power m. Alright, this formula is application in here. Hope you understand this solution. So after that we can write 1 to the divided by 27 as we can write 3 to the power cube to the power whole x plus 22 to the power cube divided by 3 to the power cube whole x is perfectly equal to 1. After this, here we are just applying another exponential algebraic mathematical term, which is we can write 1 as a 1 to the power cube divided by 3 to the power cube is the power of x plus 2 to the power cube divided by 3 to the power cube, the power of x is equal to 1. Now here we can write by applying the algebraic formula 1 by 3 to the power cube and also third bracket to the power whole x plus third bracket and first bracket 2 by 3 to the power whole cube, and this all to the power qx is equal to 1. So here we can use the algebraic exponential formula a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Now this algebraic exponential formula applying here, after we can write 1 by 3 to the power 3x, this is mn like 3x plus 2 by 3 to the power 3x is equal to 1. So now we can write the exponential equation in here, which is 1 by 3 to the power x 3x plus bracket 2 by 3 to the power 3x is equal to we can write 2 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Why we write this? Because it is simply like, if we take this 3 in here, then we can write 2 plus 1, then it will be 3 divided by 3. Then this will cancel out and we get 1, which we get this before from this 1. Okay, hope you will understand. Now we can write, after applying simultaneous equation formula rules, this is our equal. So we can write 1 by 3 to the power 3x and 1 by 3 is perfectly equal because the bases are same. Then we can write 3x is equal to 1, right? We just use mathematical terms. Then we can write the value of x is 1 by 3. Guys, this is our first answer we get from the solution. Now we have to try this 2 by 3 to the power 3x and 2 to the power 3. Then applying the formula rules, we can write 2 by 3 to the power 3x is equal to 2 by 3 to the power 1. So here, if you look carefully, the bases are same, so power will be same. By applying the formula, so the value of x is equal 1 by 3. So guys, we get our answer of the x value from the exponential equation, which is 1 by 3. This is our answer. Hope you guys enjoying the solution classes, and please do subs and like. Hope I work good. Bye bye.